Here comes a big decision of the Shirgaon Jatra Stampede which left 6 persons dead. In the aftermath of the tragic stampede at Devi Lairai Jatra, the temple committee has imposed strict new measures to ensure public safety. On the 5th day of the annual festival, only the Chowgules, a traditional group closely associated with the temple rituals, will be allowed entry. Temple Committee President Dinanath Gaonkar, speaking on Monday, confirmed that no outside devotees will be permitted to participate. He further announced that all stalls within the temple premises up to the site of the stampede must be cleared by Tuesday afternoon. This is a precautionary step to avoid any further mishap, Gaonkar said, adding that the local Mamladar has been directed to oversee the removal process. The restrictions follow a stampede that left 6 dead and several injured and exposed serious lapses in crowd control during the widely attended religious event. Held annually in Shirgaon village, the Devi Lairai Jatra draws thousands of devotees from across Goa and beyond. With safety now a top priority, authorities say they are working closely with local officials to implement tighter security regulations moving forward.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.